at Kitty's place. I should have been a cowboy. I should have learned to rope and ride, wearing my six shoes, riding my pony on the cattle drive. Stealing a young girl's heart, just like Tina Boy, singing those campfire songs. Oh, I should have been a cowboy.